Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here, Catalogue Brochure Mega Bundle for Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, and Microsoft Office Home files are for Canva. But these are protected. First, you need subscription process of my old file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one-time payment for lifetime sale, and I tell you 7.22 GB bundle where I will convert and total file 875. Okay, and here browser, Canva, Microsoft Word, InDesign and Photoshop. You can customize in Photoshop. These files are InDesign and also Canva. Annual report, business proposal template for InDesign and AI APIs for Adobe Illustrator and here Photoshop. Next, ESD, Trifold voucher for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Same thing here. Brochure, voucher, Bifold, Catalogue, here Flare, profile, PSD, here real estate Bifold voucher. All files are professional to run. Wow, Catalogue. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love you.